Out of the Blue, proudly brought to you by San Remo. We're family.
Another surprise!
Out of the blue,
You want that with fries?
out of the blue. Come with me across the sea on a barbecue. We're gonna cook for you.
Nothing but blue skies.
Out of the blue,
You want some chili with those fries?
out of the blue.
On Out of the Blue, we really love to travel. Second thoughts, we love eating as well. And boy, are we champions at that. And you know, we're also champions at quick, tasty recipes.
There's nothing easier than cooking a plate of pasta with a wonderful sauce. And I'm going to show you 4 quick, simple and easy recipes in 4 minutes.
But first, we're going back to Italy, where Adam and I cook up a beautiful, quick and easy pasta recipe with porcini mushrooms. Oh, magnificent. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Hey, Adam.
Oh,
Look.
there you are, Michael.
Yes, I've been gathering goodies. I tell you, porcini mushrooms.
Wow.
They're ready now, this time of the year.
Look at the size of that mushroom.
Eh?
I'm going to dong you
I've
on the head
never-
with that.
Seriously, I've never seen one so big.
Oh, that is just fantastic. You have literally brought me an abundance of ingredients there,
Some
Michael.
pecorino, Romano cheese.
Yeah, pecorino romano.
Pecorino and some beautiful spinach.
Oh, well.
And some marjoram and tomatoes.
And
What are you
don't
gonna do
forget, elbow, San Remo elbow
Ah.
pasta. So straight away, Michael, I'm going to grab the pancetta,
Yep.
okay, into the pan. Okay, now, we really want to, just on a low to medium heat, slowly fry out the pancetta. What happens is it releases natural flavour and all the fat, and that'll be the basis to our sauce. And what I'm just going to chop up this porcini.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
This is a treat. This is seriously a treat today.
But what I do want to show you, Michael, the one thing about all mushrooms is obviously once they've come from the earth, you've got all the soil on there.
Yep.
Just make sure you trim that off, and then with a paper towel, just give it a good wipe. A little bit of water, not too much water, because you don't want any more moisture to your mushrooms, and just clean off all that.
Beautiful. Okay,
Chop, chop.
Cut up some of that for you.
All right, Michael.
Now, you don't need a lot of this, do you?
No, don't need
Because
a
it
lot.
can be quite, overpowering.
Yeah. All right.
How much of that do you want? Teaspoon?
Beautiful. You want to throw that in there
Yep.
for me? Get that in.
Here we are.
All right. Give me a bit more, Michael.
That is going to.
Oh, wow.
All right, it's beautiful,
Yeah.
isn't it? So you can imagine
Straight
that.
away. So at this point, I'm going to add a bit of olive oil, Michael. All right. In with the porcini.
Just put a bit more of that in for you.
Now this is going to
Like
take a
that?
couple minutes, Michael, just to sweat off the pancetta through the porcini with the marjoram, and basically what you want to see is the porcini mushroom will start to collapse down.
Yes, yep. So now, what about these tomatoes? Just cut them in half, sort of
You
thing.
cut them in half.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like
How
to
many of those
make
have we
anything
got?
too difficult for you.
No.
A little salt, Michael, just a little bit. You can never take it out, but you can always add more. A bit of pepper. All right, in with the tomatoes. Some more olive oil, Michael. Now this is the biggest process of it all. So we've already cooked off our pasta, al dente, the elbows.
Done.
Michael, don't ever throw out that water. That pasta water is packed full of flavour and makes the basis to our sauce. So we pour that into there,
Yeah, right.
get that bubbling away. Okay, grab my lid, and we need to basically cook that for a couple minutes to the point where the tomatoes are just about to collapse and burst out of their skin. We've got to give it some time.
I can wait.
All right, Mickey, have a look at that.
Now, how do you know it's getting to the point here
well,
where it's...
I wouldn't recommend you do this with your such delicate gardening fingers, but I just get in there and
I'm with
squash
you.
with my thumb. Look at that. And also you get
Yummy.
to taste it hot. Perfect.
Okay,
Now, garlic, Michael.
Yeah, tell us about this, because you didn't put it in earlier, which
No.
is interesting.
I want that freshness just to basically go with my porcini. So if I add it from the start, it will obviously start to brown and caramelise. I want that taste right there.
Spinach.
Thank you. Just
Now,
gonna-
that's so easy to grow, seriously. You can grow that, in fact, I grow it home in a foam box.
Yeah, you told me
And
about
we
that.
use it for so many dishes. I mean, a salad or cooking
Beautiful.
or wilting. Just
In that
beautiful.
goes. Right at the last minute too,
Yep.
okay? Such a soft little leaf
Okay.
there. Pasta, please.
The pasta. Oh, my
Pasta,
goodness.
pasta.
Yep.
Now, in with the pasta, our elbows. Already cooked nice and al dente.
I've been trying it. They're
Burnt to the
beautiful.
bone.
Yep.
Now, this is where my fancy stuff, we just flick it through. Okay. Bit more oil, bit more salt and pepper.
Oh, look at that. Look at the colours, though. They're amazing.
I'm excited.
Okay, the important part here.
Yeah. It's just making sure that we give it that little bit extra love and finish it off.
Oh, that is stunning.
And just get those tomatoes a little bit. I don't want to waste any of them, Michael.
So what are you going to call, what's the dish?
Pasta di elbow with porcini, pancetta, and how about some beautiful spinach?
Oh, spinach.
Coming up after the break, Adam's cooking 4 pasta dishes in 4 minutes. Come on, give us a break.
Well, Mick, I got something special today. I'm going to cook 4 pasta dishes in 4 minutes.
4 in 4 minutes.
That's right,
Are
mate.
you
4
serious?
quick, simple, tasty pasta meals in 4 minutes. So let's get on to it.
Way you go.
All right, we've got San Remo Kells. Now, all my pasta is all cooked off, okay?
You're just reheating it.
Reheating,
Yep.
okay? Olive oil.
Yes.
Ooh, that's a
And
hot
I must say
pan,
that
right?
really is a hot pan.
Look at
That's
that,
been-
smoking hot. Little bit of tuna,
Yeah.
in it goes.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, right.
All right, you got the time?
15 seconds.
Don't worry, Mick, I'm all good. A little bit of San Remo concentrata, which is
Oh, look at
tomato
that.
and olive.
Oh, a little bit.
Just a little bit. Did you see that? Oh, Mick, no time to talk. So, this is like a puttanesca, but with tuna, obviously.
Yeah.
So we've got the olives, the
Yes.
tomato. Nice and quick. Oh, smell
So
that.
about half a minute.
A little bit of pepper.
Yeah.
Nice and
just
easy.
a little bit of water on that as well.
Yeah, refresh. Take a little bit of that
Refresh.
water.
There we
it
go.
goes. Oh. All right, crank that heat. All right, TikTok, where we
Yeah,
at?
yeah.
Where we at, Mick?
50,
We're almost there. All right,
51,
there. Fresh basil, always
52.
nice and clean.
53, 54,
Michael.
55,
All right,
56, 57,
okay.
58.
There we go, Michael. Number 1 done.
Beautiful.
Send that one over to them.
Unbelievable.
Number 1, next one,
Well
let's
done.
go. Number
Right.
2 away. We're gonna make a beautiful creamy pasta. Creamy pasta is one of my favorites.
I've never-
Broccolini.
I've never seen you
easy.
so active.
Oh, Mick, I love it. I love it. And again, a really
Butter.
hot pan. Now, if your butter's too hot like that, a
Yeah.
little bit of olive oil
Oh.
just to help stop from
Right.
burning. Swish, swish, away we go. In with the broccoli. Look,
Oh,
nicely.
I love
and broccolini,
Hey,
look.
kids would eat broccoli like that, wouldn't they? Beautiful.
Oh, my kids absolutely love
Yeah.
it. Now,
I like
I'm using...
the way you're putting that in the colander and you're
Yeah.
suspending it over the
Yep.
boiling
so
water.
it's kind of semi-steaming it and getting the heat into it.
Yep. Right,
Some
20
cracked pepper.
seconds are in.
Oh, all right. Better get moving.
Yeah,
a little
well,
bit of
I'm
salt
sort
to
of
this
slowing
one.
down the first part of the minute.
You
25.
think you're worried about me? I'm not worried at all. All right.
That's that cream or what?
In with some cream. Now,
There we are.
normally,
Yep.
you want to cook it down and
Yeah, yeah,
sit
yeah.
there and reduce. Here's my little trick, my little tip for you, Miguel. A little bit of parmesan. Look at that. Ah, baby.
Oh, look at that.
In it goes.
Okay, you got 45 seconds.
45, 45.
45, here we go.
All right, we're getting hot.
Pasta.
In with the pasta.
Look at that.
Nice and
Oh,
hot.
that is
Look how
amazing.
vibrant the
Yeah,
beautiful
55,
broccolini is.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
Voila.
60.
All
Beautiful.
right, number 2 now. Let's go, number 3. Ah, one of my favorites. Making a beautiful tomato sugo, fresh tomatoes.
Yeah.
Normally takes hours. My mum
Yes.
would sit there and stir.
Yes.
This one, 1 minute
You
with
sure
casarecce.
you don't want a bit more
What do
time
you
with this one?
mean?
1 minute, here we go.
1 minute, away
Plenty
we go.
of olive oil.
Casarecce, in it goes. You know what they say, Mick, don't you?
That lady, you love that.
Did she? She loved it.
So what, you put a whole clove of garlic
Whole
in?
flavour garlic.
Yep, okay.
Just let that
So
sizzle
you're after
around.
the perfume.
Look how hot my pan is, Mike. This is a tip here.
Yep.
All right, super hot pan. Bit of seasoning now.
25, 25.
What, left or what?
Yep.
What do you mean?
No,
What do you
it's
mean?
only 25.
Okay, that's all right. So, using your pasta water to make a quick tomato sauce.
Yep.
There you go. All right.
Because you get a bit of starch with that too,
Oh,
don't
yes,
you, when
you
you
do.
do
The
that?
flavour from that beautiful San Remo
Okay,
casarecce
45.
pasta.
Washing those down.
45, my goodness.
45, 46.
All right,
46, any advance on 46?
We're there.
46.
So just using the spoon,
He's
I'm
cleaning up
collapsing.
the mess after.
There's a... You are, not me. Don't worry about that. Some more salt. Look, Mick. Oh, this is...
Hey, yep, I can imagine
Ooh
that.
la
Beautiful,
la.
beautiful. Okay,
Fresh
50,
Roma tomatoes,
50,
cherries.
We go right
50.
on
What do you
50
mean?
now.
What do you mean?
Bit of basil.
All right,
beautiful.
pasta.
Okay, 50,
Where we at? 52?
55.
All right, we're almost
56.
there. Now remember, use a touch more, a little bit of that pasta
57.
water. In it goes. So this is
58,
really easy,
59,
beautiful, fresh.
and 60.
There we go. Casarecce, fresh nap sauce. Away we go. This one's a piece of cake, Mick. So we've got beautiful San Remo shells. Okay, I told you I was going to
I've
get you.
never seen you so active.
Oh, mate, I love it. I love pasta. I love 4 recipes, 4 minutes, so fast and quick. Cashews,
I-
they're good for your body. And garlic, straight in.
Right in.
Rocket.
Right.
You got to make a pesto, Mick. Oh,
Yep,
get
look
in
at
there.
that.
Roger.
Now you're making the pesto with the rocket. Olive oil.
Why, Michael? Why?
No, no, no.
Because rocket is peppery, full of flavour.
Beautiful.
Pecorino.
Pecorino.
No, pecorino.
Pecorino.
Because pecorino is made from sheep's milk, nice and
Okay,
body.
right.
Mick, go. Oh, some more oil. Come on. Mick, more oil. All right, whack the lid on. Don't worry, that's it. Give it a tap. Oh, this might be my failure. No, it's not going to be. All right.
Oh, that looks good.
Mick, you give that a
Well,
taste.
we'll
Tell
give
me if
you,
you're happy.
we'll give
Oh,
you a
Get in there, fingers and all. I love it.
Oh, beautiful.
Good? All right,
Fantastic.
Mike. Look, I'm relaxed now. Kick back. No, I'll come to you, chef. Don't worry, I'm all good. Don't worry about me.
You actually call me chef.
Yep. Today, a little bit of that.
Right.
Get a bit of that residual heat from the pasta water. In it goes.
Oh, look at that.
1 and 2. Little flip. Be gentle.
55.
So no pans, you know, your missus will love this one. No pan work, no making mess in the kitchen. She'll be giving you hugs.
56.
Don't worry. About 56. This is smart.
57.
All right.
58.
All right. And then we
59.
go. Look at that. San Remo shell
Well
pasta.
done.
Cashew, little basil, just to finish.
That is amazing. Well done.
We're done. 4 recipes, 4 minutes, 4 simple pasta recipes. San Remo pasta.
Oh, I love your work.
I love it.
After the break, we're back with the results of this delicious recipes.
Now, Adam, that was an amazing effort. 1 minute recipes, 4 of them.
4.
But seriously, you could have taken a little bit more time for your home. You wouldn't be rushing. But it just goes to show what you can put together. You know, it really is fast food, but not the fast food that we all relate to.
No need to go through the drive-through. You know,
No,
at your
that's
own
it.
home.
But it's really healthy food that you can put together in just a few
Come on,
moments.
Come on, try. I'm going to try. What do you think,
Now,
Michael?
this was, tell me about this one here. This was the
San Remo curls, San Remo concentrata, which is basically olives and tomato, really potent, full of flavour. Tin of tuna, some fresh basil, olive oil, good extra virgin, done.
That is seriously beautiful.
This one's lovely, yeah, really nice. The broccolini, so you still got that really fresh crunch from the broccolini, chopped nice and fine, cream, a little bit of butter. And this one here, beautiful fresh tomatoes, you know.
looking
Simple,
forward to
casarecce, clean, tasty. You should get that really garden-like, just where you love, in the garden. Fantastic.
Homegrown, the basil's beautiful, just a nice taste. This one, I think this one will be my favourite. I love pesto. And you used rocket rather than basil.
Rocket, cashews, and pecorino. So I've flipped
Fabulous.
all 3 traditional ingredients from pesto.
Here we go.
But they're all just something different.
And the shells just clasp the pizza.
Look at that. And you know what you could do with this dish? If you had another minute and a hot oven, put it into the oven, a bit more cheese on top, pasta forno. Beautiful pasta forno. Baked pasta. Oh yeah.
That is beautiful. Well done.
Thank you. And who said I couldn't do 4 pastas in 4 minutes?
Me.
People always ask me, Adam, give me some pasta tips. Well, here's 4 quick and easy pasta tips. Number 1, when making a pasta bake, one of my favourite pasta dishes, make sure when you're cooking your pasta, cook it to half the amount of cooking time on the back of the packet. This way, the pasta's not going to be overcooked. It's going to jump into the sauce, take on all the flavour, and you're going to cook it in the oven, obviously being a pasta bake. So whilst it's in the oven, it's going to finish off the cooking of the pasta, absorb all your beautiful sauce, and come out nice and al dente. Tip number 2. People ask me, Adam, I cook angel hair, I love it, 2-minute pasta, but sometimes it seems to stick together. Well, here's my tip. Don't worry about putting your pasta water on with angel hair. Just grab your pasta, have your sauce ready, bubbling away, and I like to do this. Take my pasta out, and I like to break it into smaller little strands and cook it in the sauce. Still gonna cook in 2 minutes, but what's gonna happen? You no need for 2 pots. It's gonna take on the flavor of your sauce, and it's gonna cook perfect. Tip number 3, people always ask me, how come my fresh filled pasta like ravioli, tortellini, agnolotti, always split open when I'm cooking them? Well, the first problem is, they always have a rapid boil. You don't need a rapid boil when you're cooking fresh pasta. You need to take it down just to a soft boil like so. This will help that beautiful fresh pasta and the filling inside not pop open. So, in with your fresh pasta, ravioli in this case. Now, when stirring your pasta, make sure you use a wooden spoon. This too will help stop the pasta from splitting open. Be nice and gentle, just giving circular motion, making sure the pasta all separate and cook nice and evenly. Now, when your fresh ravioli or tortellini is ready, don't grab your tongs, your metal tongs. Grab a spider like so, or a sieve, and just dip into there, taking your pasta out, straight into your pan, into your beautiful hot sauce. This way, your pasta filling's still inside, you got fresh ravioli or tortellini at its best. Now, for my last and fourth tip, you have to head to the ocean with me.
Another delicious pasta recipe coming up. Stay tuned. Adam's got me down here at the beach in a boat for a pasta tip.
And this tip here for you is when we cook too much pasta at home, you have it left over in the fridge.
Yeah.
This salad is perfect.
Why are we in a boat, not in the kitchen? Just a question. I woke up this morning, I'm in a boat with you.
It's not the love boat either, let me tell you. It's nice and cozy, but let's get to Don't lose it. Mick, we're using San Remo elbow pasta.
Yes.
Already cooked, okay? So beautiful little short pasta, great for this salad. I'm gonna stash that under there. Just watch my leg there, Mick. Squeeze it. Got some beautiful Lebanese cucumbers.
Oh, they are just superb Lebanese cucumbers. They cost a little more, but it's just one you've got there.
Yeah,
just
one.
Chopping that up.
They're
roughly
nice and
chopped.
sweet, yeah. Skin on and all, okay? So keeping all my cucumber.
They're available all year round, which is really good because sometimes you can't get the long green or the apple. But
No, it's actually my daughter's favourite. She loves the little Lebanese cucumbers.
yes,
So you got that? Don't let that go overboard. A little bit of dill, Mick. And now I'm just rough chopping, yeah?
right,
There's
in
nothing fancy about this one.
here we are.
A little bit for you over there. Sorry, mate. Now, pine nuts. Typically, if we're at home in the kitchen, we toast our little nuts
Yes.
in a pan and get a little bit of flavour to it. But we're out in the water today, so we're doing it a la naturale.
I don't mind them uncooked.
No, yeah?
No,
You like raw nuts?
And also when you make. No,
That's a little bit cheeky there. A little bit of pepper. Some baby spinach. Now, just again, look, nice and easy, Mick. Even you could whip this one up for the missus and say, look what I've created. Smoked salmon.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful, flaky. Oh, look at that.
You-
You happy with that?
Aren't we blessed here in Australia with the wonderful produce we have?
All right, Mick, just a little bit of olive oil. Feta.
Oh, I love feta.
Yeah, so a nice, rich Greek feta. Just crumble.
And in goes that beautiful elbows pasta. Look at
Okay.
fabulous.
Now, Mick, I've got to make a lovely dressing for our salad. Yogurt, bit of olive oil, Mick. Look at that. Look at the colour, the sheen on that baby. Oh.
Now, I would have never married those two together.
Well, wait for
olive
the third
oil and
element.
yogurt.
Pomegranate molasses. Yeah, the nice, sharp, acidic sweetness and a good
yeah,
amount.
yeah.
Don't be scared.
No, don't be scared at all.
I'm never
It's
scared,
half a
trust
bottle.
me. No, it's not.
And pepper.
Yeah, you know what?
Has anyone watching this ever had pepper, yogurt, olive oil, and molasses?
I just get this from my pantry, my little spoon, and just give that a good mix.
Where did you get this recipe from?
Well, you know what? A fisherman once told me pomegranate molasses is
Yes.
good for your hair. It keeps it nice and sheen,
I
sticky.
told you. If you want me to work with you, no hair jokes.
Anyway, look
There, look at that.
at
Beautiful.
that. Just give that a little mix together.
Okay.
Are you happy? I'm not
Yes.
happy yet. I'm only happy when I do this.
And
Now, just to finish, pick up your beautiful pasty elbows, the salmon, a little bit of the pine nuts, some feta. Oh, look, you know what? I'm really happy with this. Like, I'm just thinking of these colours. All right, and just look. Just a little drizzle, Mick. Just a little drizzle. No fancy stuff here. Just keep it really simple, tasty. What about those beautiful ingredients, the San Remo elbow pasta?
try that.
How about I bring it up to you, sir? So welcome aboard the lovely Swanson Love Boat. Today we've cooked a beautiful pasta salad. Pasta salad. Get the molasses in there. Tell me you got that zing, the beautiful San Remo pasta.
That's beautiful.
Good.
Well done.
Thank you very much. Well, that's one for
I
Popeye.
was worried about the dressing, but that is fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Well, that's our program for today. And seriously, as I choke on a piece of spinach. No, but seriously, that's our program. Thank you very much. I love those 1 minute recipes. You cannot get any quicker, better, food, healthier food than that. See you next time.
Out of the Blue, proudly brought to you by San Remo. We're family.